Meaning of extraordinarily.
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 Extraordinarily. Extraordinarily means something that is very unusual or remarkable, going beyond what is usual, ordinary, or expected. When we describe something as extraordinary, we are saying that it is exceptional and stands out from other things in some way. For example, an extraordinary performance might be one that is exceptionally good or impressive. Likewise, an extraordinary person might have talents or qualities that go beyond what is typical or expected. Overall, the word extraordinary conveys a sense of awe, admiration, and surprise, suggesting that something is truly remarkable and worthy of attention.